Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Empress Hair Braiding. My name is Kim. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the secrets to achieving beautiful, neat, knotless braids. In order to do this style, you'll need hair extensions of your choice, a rat tail comb for precise parting, hedge control or hair gel, and mousse for a neat finishing look. First, start by creating neat straight parting using rat tail comb. Then take small section of your hair along with the extensions. Combine them and braid the hair, ensuring that the extensions blend seamlessly with your natural hair. This is the magic behind knotless braids. Remember to maintain tight, even braids for that professional look. For a neat finish, you can dip the ends in hot water to seal them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by giving a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorial. This is what the finished product look like.